today is Saturday and tomorrow is Mother's Day. So we got my mother-in-law some flowers, and I want to show you what I got, because I went, you know, when you go buy flowers, they give you a vase. So I went to, where did I go? Family Dollar. I'm sorry, I went to Dollar General and bought a cute vase. Let me show you. This is the vase that I bought. It says Flowers and Garden, and I got this vase from Dollar General, and it was only $5. And then I got, these are the flowers that I'm going to put in it for my mother-in-law. I don't know what they're called. So this is the vase that they usually give you. That's why I went to Dollar General and I got this cute vase for $5. And I'm just going to rearrange the flowers. So let's see how it comes out. Making some chocolate covered strawberries. what to put her on. I was thinking of this shirt right here because it's not too hot out. So this is how it looks. Maybe with some khaki shorts. Then she has these, but I don't, it's not the right color of green. This is like a brighter green. So I was thinking those are cute too, but I wonder, let's see. She has like for her, these are all her school shirts. Oh look, she has some overalls, some cute overalls, but I don't have shoes for that today. Need to get her some white shoes. She has this cute dress too. She has this outfit as well that Grandma got her for her birthday. She has shorts, jeans. Where are her? Oh, there they are. So these khaki, let's see. These khaki shorts are just the same as these green ones. But I think this looks way better with the khaki. Don't hang on that, okay? Thank you. So I was thinking this shirt today with these. I mean, you're not going to be able to see that yellow because it's going to be like that. So I think that's what we're going to wear today.
I like the Gerber daisies. Are they Gerber?
I don't know.
They look like it. The pink ones.
Oh, the tulips?
No.
Careful, it has water in there.
Ah! No, I just couldn't see where I was going.
No, just leave it there. Yeah. Hi.
Alright, with the sweets.
Hi.
What's up,
Oh,
man?
sorry.
What's up,
I
man?
didn't want to be on it. I'm sorry.
What's up?
Hello. Hi, how are you?
What's going on?
Yeah. Okay.
Where's Dudley?
Hi, John. How are you?
Alright.
That's okay. Oh, you can give it. Oh, thank you. The cards are in the.
There's food.
Where are they?
Look.
Okay.
Oh, they're in the. Where?
What?
Oh, the cards are in the.
Okay, look. Chicken,
Oh my gosh. Okay, Mom.
rice and beans.
Yay.
Eat away.
Hello, pretty girl.
Nice.
I'm gonna say for you for
Ooh. All right.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy
Oh, thank you. Ah,
Mother's Day.
you're so stupid. Where's Tiffany?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
You look pretty. I like
Happy
your
Mother's
outfit.
Day to you because you have a puppy.
Look what Tiff got me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
happy
I know.
Mother's Day. Puppy.
Here.
Dude, those apples were
Tiffany's outside.
freaking amazing.
Oh, you liked them?
Tiffany said she would come inside.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad you liked them.
Everybody liked
Like
everything.
something on that
Oh, that's great.
Tiffany said she would come inside, but she can't because Adrian broke it.
Here you go, Stephanie.
Thank
Happy
you.
Mother's Day for the pup.
This is so cute. I love chocolate covered strawberries.
These are mine.
Yes, those are yours.
I like the way you
I like the way
made
she picked them out. She's like, let me just find mine. Let's not wait.
them. I'm not waiting.
These are Tiffany's.
This is mine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wait, you're not done yet. Isabel, you're not done yet.
No, but
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't want nobody to touch
You have more cards.
4 cards.
Yes.
God. You sit down.
Okay, sit down.
You hungry, Tyler?
look good, Michael.
It's long, right?
Oh, you look nice. I didn't even notice. You're not wearing just like a t-shirt.
I noticed.
The long hair.
Yes, his
I
long
know
hair.
he dressed up.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
It's the shirt Manny got me.
Yeah, the
I
bro
like
snap,
I
bro.
like the snaps.
Ah.
Oh my god, the strawberry's like on steroids.
Whoa.
And I know you don't like the peanuts, right? The pecans.
She can.
Yeah.
She probably would like them, but
Yeah.
she'd be like this.
Ah, that's funny.
These are so good.
Oh, you know what? There's extra ones. I just put Happy Mother's Day.
Nobody eats them. I'm gonna eat them.
There's extra ones there too.
I'll put
Okay. Oh.
Just, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, you're hungry?
Tiger.
Hi, where's the baby? Happy Mother's Day.
The baby's outside.
Oh, okay, good. Here's your card, and here's some strawberry coverage.
Oh, damn,
Chocolate covered
Virgo.
strawberries.
Like, shit, I'm
It's
gonna
always
get
hard to
some.
say.
She just wanted the chocolate.
Oh,
Hello, dinner.
oh, Lily made her that. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna eat. Oh.
Is my cousin Lily coming? I said, yeah, she's coming.
I know they call each other cousin.
Signed it. That's awesome.
Mhm.
Where's she taking?
No, I don't. I think she's outside.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm gonna eat. Same.
Yeah, but I don't know. Why was it gonna work on me though? Next year does.
You wear those?
There's one that starts with an O.
No pictures.
Way back when.
Oh, S-O.
Yeah, something like that.
That's funny.
Remember when we came your pamper? Just kidding.
Tyler. You're full already?
I have 5 kids. Don't bother me.
Oh, I see you have a tattoo. Oh, you're looking for a job.
I just want to say Happy Mother's Day to everybody, to all the mothers out there. I hope you had an amazing day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like. And that is it, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.